Hi, I'm Andre Matarazzo, and I'm a communication specialist. After having received more than 60 international awards, including 6 Cannes Lions, I decided to specialize in agile creative methods to help brands develop their campaigns quickly and effectively. I have collaborated with a lot of clients in this capacity, including Coca-Cola, Unilever, and Absolut Vodka. I work with creative teams to solve communication problems fast. Creativity is all about love, but that love can be beaten out of you by bad processes or confusing, misaligned expectations. For me, success is measured by the journey you take and not only by the goal you reach. Hence my passion for finding fast, effective, and fun pathways to communication solutions and creative advertising campaigns. By applying innovative sprint methodologies, we can help both small and large projects flourish and help improve consumers' lives. In this Domestika course, you're going to learn how to organize and run a successful communication sprint from start to finish. For the final project, you will plan the full execution of a sprint, from initial idea to manage the intense days of collective work. First, I'll explain what constitutes an agile method and why it matters. I'll also cover the pros and cons of working remotely and the decisions you have to make sure your sprint runs smoothly. Now it's time to start laying the groundwork. This accounts for about 70% of a good sprint. You'll learn how to create a master document for your prep work, find the best participants for your sprint, and select a location for your project. Then we'll plan out each day of the sprint. First, we must give the team as much context as possible. Next, we're going to brainstorm many ideas, then test them with consumers, and select one to develop further. Finally, we'll create the main assets in the campaign, and that is called a prototype. I also discuss documentation and seeing where things can be improved. By the end of this course, you will have all you need to reinvent your creative advertising process and solve communication problems with super speed. So let's sprint our way to success.